This is the Old Guy Network.
Before we get started with the video, I just want to thank everyone who's gone to my coffee page and bought me cups of coffee to help support the channel. I've got a lot of unboxings coming up, I really do. I'm getting a bunch of different tools in, and we're going to have some contests, but I need your help. Please go over to my coffee page and just buy a cup of coffee. It's a couple of bucks and it helps support the channel and the unboxings and yada yada yada. You get the idea. And here's a video for you. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are. And it's a beautiful day in the trailer hood, and I thought it would be a good time for an unboxing, if I could find what I'm looking for. There it is. I mentioned in one of the other videos that I was doing some upgrades, and I'm trying to get the lighting right in here. And also I'm going to be doing some lighting in the shed because I want the videos to be better in there. So I went out and purchased this Go Viral InstaFame 50 LED video light. Now this is pretty cool. It comes with a bunch of different things, and we're going to show you that in just a second. This is by a company called Digipower. You know it's got to be good, right? It has Digi in the beginning, so Digipower. So yeah, let's take a look. We're going to use my old letter opener here, see if this works. It did. And let's do the unboxing. Now I got this at Best Buy. I saw these online, but then I also saw Best Buy had them, so I got in the car and drove over to Best Buy where I could get it and not have to wait for the mailman to bring it to me. And I gotta say, probably the best time I've ever had at Best Buy, because there may have been 20 employees in there, but there was like 4 customers. So, you know, most people are staying home and they're just buying the stuff online. It's kind of sad, but I got to the register really, really quick. So, you know, that was good. So this is what we have, and I'll take out the light. This is the size of the light. Now, seeing it online, I thought it was a little bigger, but that didn't make any sense, right? That doesn't make any sense because you can put this right on your phone. Now, this is this little bracket for your phone. So your phone goes right in there. Okay, we don't need to have that on, I guess. Not for this purpose anyway. Let's turn that off. And that would go this way. Yeah. All right, so here we are. We've got our phone, and now this light goes right on the top, but we need this little adapter that comes with it, this little handy dandy adapter. Now remember, when you put this on, it's got 2 thumb screws on it. The lower thumb screw tightens the adapter onto the mount, and the top one tightens the adapter onto the light. And don't worry, there are instructions with this too. So there we go. There, that's pretty good. And then this part here would go right onto your tripod, or yeah, it would go on a tripod, either a large tripod, a little portable one. And it also comes with the charging cable, so that's kind of nice. And this is a just a standard mini USB to USB, so you could use any charger to charge this up with. It does not come with a charger, but you can use your computer or, like I said, your phone charger. And then it comes with these 3 little filters. So if you feel like being blue, you can put this one on. I'm going to use this one, I'm pretty sure. If you just want white light, like I normally do here, that's what you want. And then we've got this one that shows up fairly red. And so when I do old guy rants and I get really upset, I'll turn this one on. It'll make me really look angry. I actually did 2 of these. I bought 2 of them. This one's all set up on a tripod. So again, you would just put your phone in here. This just lifts right up. Any phone will go right in there, as long as it's not too damn wide. And I'll show you what that looks like. This is with the white filter. There's a little button on the side right here. You just hold it until the light comes on. So that's not bad. That's pretty good, actually. Look at that. I bought 2 of these because I planned on putting one on one side and one on the other, because if I put it right in front, well, then you're going to see, this in my glasses. So didn't really want that. But just so you see the difference in the filters, let's put another filter on here. This is the red one. Actually makes me look like I have a tan. This is going to be a good one for the winter time, I guess. I can put that on and I look like I have a tan. All right. And I'm so blue. Yeah, I'll probably use this one once in a while, but yeah, this is pretty good. Now, according to the instructions, which I read, well, some of them, it said that the charge on these is 1 hour. Well, the charge lasts for an hour. I don't know how long it takes to charge them up. I really don't. I can let you know that in a future video. But once they're fully charged, they should last for about an hour. And, that's... I don't think I've ever had a video that was an hour long, so that'll be perfect for me. And I do have some light stands here somewhere that I can put out into the shed, and this little bracket will fit right on there. It goes right there, right on the light stands, or on this tripod, or a normal size tripod, a full length tripod. So yeah, I like them. I think they're pretty cool. And like I just mentioned, I bought 2 of them, so I'm going to be good to go either in here or in the shed. And there is the slight chance that I will actually be putting my studio in my shed at some point. Probably not right off, because there's still a lot of stuff in there I got to get rid of. So if you're looking for a portable light that'll last for about an hour, and your phone, you get the phone cradle and everything all together, this is a good one. They have them at Best Buy. You can get them online. Again, the name of the company is Digipower, and it's called Go Viral InstaFame 50 LED video light. And I recommend it. I think it's going to work out so far anyway. Unless the charge really only lasts for about 10 minutes, then that's going to suck. But if they're not lying, then this is a pretty good deal, especially for the price. You get, now this is where I look like one of those guys on TV. You get the light, you get the adapter, you get the phone cradle, you get it all along with a charging cord, and not 1, not 2, but 3 of these filters. Whole thing's $20. Actually $19.99, so that's not bad. Whether you buy them in person or buy them online, they're $19. $19.99, almost $20. I mean, that's not bad at all. I've been pricing out some lights out there, and the larger lights are really expensive. So I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a pretty quick video. The unboxing of LED lights, and that's going to do it for now. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, or go out and make some new friends and share it with them too. Hit that share button, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, for crying out loud. Only 15% of you are actually subscribed, so please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll stop telling you what to do after that. I would really appreciate it. So for the Old Guy Network, I'm the Old Guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.